Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? I will be unboxing another Nano Coaster model that I got of a coaster that's at SeaWorld Orlando, Manta. And this is SeaWorld Orlando's B&M Flying Coaster, and it's my second most anticipated coaster at SeaWorld Orlando, with my number one being Mako, as I said. And so, anyways, why not just unbox this, my dudes? Yep, just like they did it last time. Here's the base, the instruction manual, and the pieces. And yeah, so see you tomorrow. I mean, or next time, like, because content from Dorney's preview is definitely gonna be coming up. So make sure after that to stay tuned, because that is the video where I'll actually be building this model. And yeah, so yeah.